Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Foxtecc. In this video, we're focusing on an annoying issue, which is outgoing calls that just don't seem to work. What's causing it, and more importantly, how can you fix it? Let's get in right now. First of all, I know this might sound super basic, but before anything else, try restarting your iPhone. Seriously, just restart it. It's amazing how often this simple step fixes weird glitches. It's obviously not guaranteed or anything, but give it a try. If that doesn't do the job, let's look at some other possible reasons. What you could do then is to check your reception. Look at the signal bars in the top right corner of your screen. If you've got no bars or just a weak signal, you might be in an area with poor coverage from your carrier. Try moving around or wait until you're in a spot with better reception before trying again. One other thing to try is to pay attention to the dial codes. If you're calling someone, especially in another country, but sometimes even locally, make sure to include the correct dial code before the number. You can Google any dial code for any country. You can also save yourself the hassle by editing the contact and adding the dial code permanently. Speaking of dial codes, check the dial assist setting in your iPhone settings under the phone section. This feature automatically adds the right prefix for your calls. However, it's always a good idea to double check or add it manually if needed. Now, here's something you might not think about: your carrier settings. Some SIM cards are data only and can't make calls. Also, if you're on a prepaid plan, make sure you have enough credit. I can't tell you how many times I've run out of credit and had no idea why my calls weren't going through. And finally, if none of this works, try swapping your SIM card with another one to rule out hardware issues. There's always the chance that your phone's hardware is acting up, and testing with a different SIM can help you figure that out. So there you have it. These are my things and ideas of why it may not work for you. Let me know below in the comments if there's anything I might have missed, or if there's something other that's going on with your phone and I might look into it. It's going to help me out for the future videos. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.